Hi everyone, I'm Sato. I will talk about Sarahama area that is located in the east of Irabu Island. I terribly like this area, but this is not so familiar to tourists. If you want to enjoy the local atmosphere, I'd recommend this place to you. The peaceful appearance and the contrast of these buildings make us be in the Ghibli world. It takes about 25 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 15 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. Sarahama is a harbor town and flourishes a fishing industry. As is often the case with such towns, there are many ownerless cats. Before Irabu Bridge was built in 2015, people living around here used to use this port for commuting and shopping. The first time I went to Sarahama, I became a slave of this area. The every sound of cars, shops, waves, and the birds singing is harmonized, and it leads you to think that time blissfully passes. There are young boys and girls enjoying fishing with their friends. It is the very situation only to be seen in Harbor Town. And there are no beaches for swimming in Sarahama area. The view you see from the harbor to this village is beautiful, but from this village to the harbor is also beautiful. This is one of the magnificent views only the people living around here know. So I often see old men and students hanging out here. Sarahama is a place I really recommend, but the roads in Sarahama are too narrow for two cars to pass each other. And there are places like a maze where you can no longer go through by car. So if you're not good at driving, it might be better to avoid driving here. If you stroll around Sarahama, you can feel the locals more, and you will sweat moderately because there are many steeps and steps here. If you go down to the harbor, there is a famous restaurant called Obanmai Shokudo, which is familiar to not only people living around here, but also travelers. Please enjoy eating special dishes featuring fresh seafood. This is a festival to be held near the Obanmai Shokudo once a year to pray for a good fishery and safety of the crew on May 4th according to old calendar. People in Sarahama put together teams and compete for rank rowing the boats called sabani. In the afternoon, the fishers and their families throw skipjack tuna cut into slices from their ships to people in the harbor. There is a Japanese word obanburumai, meaning you entertain someone with food and drink on a large scale. And the word obanburumai has turned into obanmai in Sarahama dialect. I hope you will see the festival when you visit Sarahama. Festivals and events are often held in Sarahama, and it seems that they have really cherished the bond of each other. I can't tell you all of the goodness of Sarahama only in this video, so I really want you to see it with your own eyes. Travelers who visit Miyako Island tend to go to the beach and do marine activities, but I believe it is one of the ways of enjoying Miyako City from a different side to come into touch with the locals. Thank you very much for watching this video till then. See you next time. Bye.